Faiz and Aryan are two young Muslim boys with hearts full of compassion. They set themselves a mission to perform small acts of kindness, believing primarily in the Islamic virtue of sadaqah, the act of voluntary charity. One day, they cross paths with a struggling family, a single mother with 2 children who seems to be having a tough day. To relieve her burden, they anonymously leave a bag of groceries at her doorstep. They carry no expectations of gratitude. The act itself was the reward. This sparks a chain reaction. Each day they perform another act of kindness towards this family, paying the kids' school fees anonymously, gifting warm clothes, and even lending a hand in household repair work. Their small yet thoughtful acts breathe hope into the troubled family's life, radiating positivity which is unknowingly passed on to others. The mother, uplifted by these anonymous acts of kindness, starts volunteering at the local charity, and the kids share their happiness with school friends. The acts of kindness that Faiz